Kuha muna ako. Hello.
Hello guys, dito tayo ngayon sa mga muffin. Yan, chocolate chips. Yan. Ayan, muffin yan. $3.79 buy one take one. Kuha ba tayo nito? $3.79. Yan, $2.59. Okay. Update tayo ng prices ng mga liquid, dishwashing. Merong Tide Expert Clean. Liquid detergent, 484. May less 60 pesos. 424 na lang. Yeah, we have Silver and Sage bath towel. Buy one, take one. $4.99 lang. Uy, makapal-kapal din siya, oh. Nice. Yan, sa comforter. Tingin tayo. Oh, Lifetime Kayak Tandem Envoy. 26,000 na lang. May less na 8,000. Wow. Ito naman, Ravenna. Indoor-outdoor area rug. 8,999. Nagdi-dribble siya. O, ito naman, Knit Freak Non-Slip Hanger. 10-pack, white and gray. Buy one, take one, oh. Buy one, take one is $3.99. Oh, buy one, take one is $3.99. And this one is the outdoor Oasis artificial grass. Uy, oh. Buy one, take one, $2,999. Not bad. Oh. Uy, uy. Yung mga microfiber bed sheet, oh. Dati siyang buy one, take one. King size, oh. $1,499. Regular price, Modern Threads, 2-pack sheet set queen. Dito magaganda yung mga bed sheets. Dito na tayo. Ito mga Denmark shafting dish. $1,499. Ayan, pagka gusto nyo mag shafting dish, $5,099. Ayan. Cake plate, $999. Ito, mga buy one, take one, no? Mga serving bowl. Ganda yan. $6.99, no? Oh, this one, Simply White scoop dinner plate, 6 pack. Dinner plate, 1,000 na lang, buy 2. At 1,099, Oh, ganda. Ganda. Maganda mamili ng mga pag ganitong may sale. Mga, buy one, take one, mix match. Coverlet off. Dito tayo. Dito. Saan ba ako? Ayan, may hot cake. Hot cake. Original hot cake. How much?
178.
178. Tatlong pack na. Not bad. Naturally lime. Mineral.
Yeah, your hands are shaking.
Canada Dry. $4.99. Milk soda.
Okay.
49 pesos ang isa. Milk soda mango, 49 pesos ang isa. Ito, milky peach flavor. 149. 149. Root beer, 624. Ito yung Bundaberg. 359. Wala silang champion dito. Ito. Raspberry iced tea. Raspberry iced tea. 469. Ito, lemon iced tea. Powdered. 469 din, no? Nice. This one. Lipton iced tea. 749. Ito naman, yung Foster Clarks na orange juice. 499. Sasarap din yung mga juice na to eh. Ito, honey, citron, and ginger tea. Honey, ito ang kailangan natin. This is good for the health. 789. 789. This is good. This is good for the health. This is the Guyabano concentrate. 316. Passion fruit tea, Passion fruit tea.
How much?
374. Ito, real lemon. 169. 100%. Ito, lemon. Real lemon, Buy 1. Buy 12. 169 ang isa. Minsan dapat meron tayong mga stock. Mango Cebu. Pure. 259. Ito. Aloe juice fresh in green stage. How much is this? 144 ang isa. Oo. Buy one is 144. But if you buy 12, 1,669. Kool-Aid. Oh my God. Paborito ni Carlo to. Kool-Aid. Del Monte juice. 309. Ito, ang gusto ni Julia. Mogo-mogo. Ikot tayo dito. Hindi pa.
That's how many milk you need for one ice mango. This is how many pounds of food? Uncle, can you help me? I'm gonna
Dito yata sa kabila dyan. Mahal na mga si Dubai chocolate. Dubai. Ada Dubai chocolate pistachio.
Kita ba gusto ko yung coffee na gano'n.
Yo!
Yung lang ako klase.
Oh, smoked barbecue. Patatas fritas, 149. Ito salted egg, potato chips, 4.99. Hard bite, 139. Lay's classic, 359. Salted vinegar, Lay's, 159. Ito tomato ketchup Lay's, 149. Ruffles. Ruffles is 156. Sour and cream and onion flavor. Ito yung bago nila. Lay's double crunch. 137 na lang eh. Sarap yan. Sarap. Yummy. Lay's. 199. Potato chips. Kettle brand potato chips. Uglies. Doritos. Ito Doritos. Nacho cheese. 4.99. Oh. Pampulutan. Pagka Cheetos. Cheetos is 156. Jalapeno flavor. Ito mixed fruit chips. Saan yung dati namin binibili? Ito turtle chips. 119. Ito yung binibili namin ni Julia. Ito yung gusto niya. Vegetable crispy green. Ito 69. Kami isa. Ano ito eh? No preservatives ito eh. No preservatives. Dito, Dad. Dito. Pagad to. Dito. Yan. Ito. Korean noodles. Bulldog. Samyang Bulldog Korea.
334.
Oh. Ayun, pataas mo dun. Yun, Milo. Milo quick. Honey. Sugar. Milo ni Julia. 280. Less 8 pesos. 280 na lang. Ingredient. Milo nourishing milk. Nesquik. Nesquik. 800 yan. A beer brand. Coffee mate natin. Hindi na. Swiss Miss, oh. Swiss Miss, Dad. At Coco. Swiss Miss, $3.99. Vienna sausage, oh. Vienna sausage, 819. Dating 919. May bawas ng 100. Oh my good line. Wala tayong ito, mga Coco Crunch, oh. Julia. Nakakuha na ako nito, ah. Hard bite, no artificial. Yan, dito tayo. Uy, ito na. Chips Ahoy, 377. Wow, family size. Favorite cookies ni Lala Edlin. Chips Ahoy. Cooper Street Twice Baked Cookies. Italian cookies. Oh. Brownies. O, gilid, Dad.
Sabi niyo nga you don't like it. That's why we're not gonna buy it.
Unang pasok pa lang, kita na agad ang...
Nasaan ang mga palaban? Doon tayo na diretso.